This is Sean Walker, and I'm a graduate assistant over at Moodle Support. I'm making this video for you to show you how to delete courses. So this is what you see when you first log into the new Moodle. And what you'll need to do is go to Dashboard Tasks and click on Search Courses. You'll have these options. However, you don't need to click on these. Just come up to the upper right corner and click Manage Courses. So I have a course I can delete in course development. So I'm going to be clicking on that. And here's the course I'm going to delete, Sean's Sandbox. So I just have to click the X, confirm that I want to delete it. And it does take a minute to delete. Now that it's been completely deleted, I just click continue. I'm back here, and as you can see, my course is gone. I hope that helps. If you need any more help or have any more questions, please be sure to let us know. Thank you.